Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with Cousins. Today I will be sharing with you a comfort food of mine, chicken breast and white wine sauce. Start by heating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit on bake. Then, trim your chicken breasts and cut them into small cubes, which we will happily speed up for you so you don't have to sit through 15 minutes of me cutting chicken. Put your chicken cubes into a Dutch oven. In our experience, using anything but the cast iron Dutch oven has caused the sauce to separate. Pour in 21 ounces of condensed cream of chicken soup. Then, add in 16 ounces of sour cream and mix it with the chicken. Pour in 3/4 cup white wine and stir. Starting with herbs, begin with 2 tablespoons of herbes de Provence, making sure to butcher the pronunciation as we go. Following that, add in a couple of whole sprigs of thyme. Then add in sage. And finally, a couple sprigs of rosemary. Gently stir them in, taking care not to break them up as you will be removing them later. Finish off with salt and pepper to taste. When the herbs are mixed in, place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Upon removal from the oven, carefully remove the sprigs. Serve over jasmine rice and enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Cousins, and I'll see you next Saturday.